Hey ladies, so today I'm going to show you my bundles. These are the different curl patterns. So this is the Virgin Curly, and this is the Deep Wave, along with the Deep Wave Closure, and of course it's silk base. Because it looks so natural. Look at that. Look at the scalp. You zoom all the way in. You can't see not a net or anything like a lace closure. Everywhere you part it, natural, natural look. Closure. And this is completely air dried. Just left last night. Look at these curls. Luscious candy curls.
Hi, Nico Stylings clients. I'm just letting you know I've been a client for a year, and yes, this is my first time buying hair and actually a lace front from her. I love it. I'm so in love with it, and I think I'm gonna buy more.